So you're running a retail business. We're guessing your main goals are more loyal customers and gaining more new visitors. We thought so. It starts with a free Wi-Fi connection. A beautifully branded, easy to customize login page, giving your customers quick and simple internet access. But what happens next is where the magic really begins. With Social Wi-Fi, you will know who your customers are, and you can deliver content to them to enhance their experience. Maybe it's offers or perhaps a helpful welcome email. Connecting with customers during and after their visit gives you a greater chance of attracting them back. Social Wi-Fi reviews boost your online review scores. Consumers are looking for great experiences and they find them by checking review sites. Your ability to reach your customers after they have left has never been stronger. With Social Wi-Fi it's all automated, so you can sit back, watch your reputation rise and see the new customers coming through your doors. Call us on 1300 515 611 www.wifi.quickapp.com.au.